Today, we're going to create something completely new. A story about a giant fish made like a real movie. We'll be making a realistic AI video that looks just like a real film. And the best part is, you can do it easily. This type of content can also be monetized. Now, if you're worried about YouTube's new policy, don't be. The new rules mainly target people who copy-paste videos, download and re-upload content, or keep posting the same video over and over again. Those channels will not be monetized. But if you're making your own original work, your channel will still be monetized without any problem. That's why today we'll create something original, a completely fresh and realistic video that looks like a real movie, and it will follow YouTube's policies step by step. I'll explain everything to you in detail, so make sure you don't miss any part of this video. Every part is important, and if you skip something, you might not understand the process. Before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel, because I keep bringing new ideas like this for you. Alright, let's get started. First, open ChatGPT. After that, paste this prompt. I will give you my YouTube description. You just need to copy and paste it. Right. Give me a 400-word story. ChatGPT will generate a story for you. It depends on you whether you want a long story or a short one. Just tell ChatGPT the length of the story and it will create it for you. And now that the story has been generated, next we will write it. Please give me 10 image prompts and add big fish in every scene. Look, the image prompt has appeared, but it's not detailed. So I will write it again. Please give me prompt in detail and add big fish in every scene. When I write the word detail, it will create a very well structured and detailed prompt, which will be very useful for us in making AI videos. For creating AI images, I use a website called Piclumen, which is one of the best platforms for making AI films. I personally use this website, and if you want to create real AI films from images, this is the best choice. Now, let me explain the size settings. The size I select is 16:9 because it is the best and most commonly used format for YouTube. After that, I copy the prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into the website, and the image generation process begins. The results are amazing, high quality, eye-catching, and professional images that look perfect. This is exactly how I keep pasting different prompts and continue generating outstanding images one after another. Why I use Piclumen. Piclumen is a powerful and very good website that allows users to create cinematic films with a realistic feel. It provides advanced features for generating high-quality visuals, stunning effects, and lifelike storytelling. Piclumen is perfect for filmmakers, digital creators, and storytellers who want to bring their imagination to life. It combines creativity and technology to produce authentic cinematic experiences. Now that all the images have been generated, I will organize them according to my prompts by giving each image a number. For example, the first prompt image will be labeled as Pic01, and the next ones will be numbered in the same way. This numbering system makes it much easier when we create AI videos later, because each image will already be in proper sequence. Next step, creating AI voice. To generate AI voice, I use two different websites. First website, Runway ML. This is an amazing platform for AI audio. Here, I simply go to the audio generation option, paste my prompt, and select from many available voices. The voices are really good and natural. However, the limitation is that Runway ML only provides 125 credits for free. Second website, OpenAI TTS. This is another excellent website for creating AI voices, and the best part is that it's free. The voice quality is also very natural and realistic. Here's how it works. Paste your prompt into the text box. Select the voice you like. Click on Create Speech. Instantly, an AI-generated voice will be created, and you can listen to it.
The fish should be enormous, terrifying, and unstoppable.
Both of these websites are very useful for making professional quality AI voices that can be used in your videos. and for creating AI videos, I will use 3 websites through which you can make AI videos daily. The first website is called Digin.ai. It is a very good and amazing platform that gives you 300 free credits, which you can use to make 10 videos. After that, it also provides daily credits, so you can continue creating AI videos easily. Right now, you can see I have 3,000 plus credits because this ID has been logged in for many days, and that's why I can make a lot of videos using these extra credits. If you want to create more AI videos, Digin.ai is a great website for you. Now, we will create an AI video using this website. It is a very good platform. First, I click on Create, then go to Upload and upload my first image. After that, I paste the prompt for image 1, the first prompt, and click on Generate. The video will start creating automatically. In the same way, I can upload the second image, paste its related prompt, and click Generate. The video will begin again. It takes a little time depending on your internet speed, usually around 10 to 15 minutes for the video to start generating. The next website is called Pixverse AI. It is also a very good platform that creates amazing AI videos. At the start, it gives you 90 free credits, which you can use to make 3 videos. After that, it also provides daily credits so you can continue making videos. On this website, the process is simple. Click on Upload, upload your image paste. The related prompt, click Generate, the video will be created and you can see how amazing it looks. After that, I simply download the video. This is how you can easily create AI videos using Pixverse AI. The final website is called Veer.com. It is a very good AI platform where you can create AI image to video. On the internet, you can search Veer image to video and the first result will appear. Click on it, then click on Create, upload your image, paste your prompt, and click on Generate. In a short time, the AI video will start generating. Veer.com is a powerful free AI image-to-video generator that transforms static photos into smooth, realistic short clips. It offers customizable settings, 1080p quality, and watermark-free downloads with no sign-up. Perfect for creating quick, professional-looking animations and experimenting with creative ideas directly in the browser. On this website, all the AI videos have been created like this. You can see the results are very good. Now I'm saving them. I'll edit my last video using CapCut, which is a very good software for video editing. It's easy to use, free, and full of amazing features like filters, effects, music, and transitions. I've added effects here and my video is now ready. You can watch it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions related to this video, feel free to leave a comment and I'll reply. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and like this video. Next time, I'll bring another method for you. Thanks again for watching.